Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Arpita. Today we are going to discuss about golden rice. Golden rice is a genetically modified rice that contains beta carotene. The beta carotene gives golden rice its yellow-orange color. So the color, or to be more precise, the name golden rice has come from its golden color that is imparted by the beta carotene in it. Golden rice is a variety of rice, that is Oryza sativa, produced through genetic engineering to biosynthesize beta carotene, a precursor of vitamin A in edible parts of rice. The research that led to golden rice was conducted with the goal of helping children who suffer from vitamin A deficiency. Estimates show that around 1.02 billion people are severely affected by micronutrient deficiencies globally, with vitamin A to be the most deficient nutrient in the body. As many children in VAD affected countries rely on rice as a staple food, genetic modifications to make rice produce the vitamin A precursor beta carotene was seen as a simple and less expensive alternative to ongoing vitamin supplements or an increase in the consumption of green vegetables or animal products. Now, the main point here is that this golden rice is produced in order to fight vitamin A deficiency disorders. Vitamin A is a must in our diet. When there is vitamin deficiencies, or especially vitamin A deficiencies, human body suffers multiple disorders. Now, rice is consumed as a staple food in various parts of the world. So, it's best to fortify that rice with the required nutrient so that it can be available to the mass. It can be made available to the mass. And it's a cheaper option because supplements are always costlier than this. The presence of beta carotene in GR2E golden rice is made possible via 3 newly expressed proteins. Now we will look into the genetic background of it. ZMPSY1 from maize, which makes the first step in adding beta carotene to rice possible. CRTI from the Pantia ananitis bacterium, which accelerates the creation of the precursor to beta carotene, and PMI from Escherichia coli bacterium, normally found in the intestinal flora of humans and animals, which plays a crucial role in completing the overall process. Now, if you look into this flow chart, you will understand how is it happening. This is an extremely important one. It starts with isopentenyl pyrophosphate that gets converted to geranyl diphosphate. Now, these are acted upon by enzymes like phytoin synthase and phytoin desaturase. These are obtained from maize and bacterium respectively. And finally, that phytoin gets converted to lycopene. Lycopene is forming the vitamin A precursor, that is beta carotene, with which the golden rice is fortified. So this is the flow chart that gives us the correct or the true picture how we get golden rice. Now, if we move a little forward to talk about vitamin A deficiency, we all know these are some of the most common vitamin A deficiencies like night blindness, xerophthalmia, keratinization, immunodeficiency, growth retardation. Now, these are problems that needs quick addressing. If these problems are not addressed on time, then this might lead to bigger problems in the long run. So, as I've already told you, to address this problem, rice is being fortified with beta carotene. It is intended to produce a fortified food to be grown and consumed in areas with a shortage of dietary vitamin A. Genetically modified golden rice can produce up to 23 times as much beta carotene as the original golden rice. So, this is something extremely important. The Golden Rice Project began in the early 1990s. It was developed through a collaboration between the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology and University of Freiburg, Germany. There is no cultivation of commercialization of golden rice in India. This is to be kept in mind. There is no commercialization or cultivation of golden rice in India. Golden rice has been approved for planting in Bangladesh. In Philippines, golden rice has been approved for commercial propagation. Their GR2E1 golden rice has already got the necessary approvals related to its regulatory clearance, and 70 tons of the nutritionally rich golden rice has been harvested at the end of wet season 2022 for human consumption. Now, the regular white rice, that's polished rice, is devoid of many vital nutrients, as we all know this, and that is the reason why golden rice is being produced, including beta carotene, while golden rice contains them in significant quantities. Biofortified rice grains possess significant quantities of micronutrients like zinc. Golden rice can also be considered a form of biofortified rice. Now, we can definitely call golden rice to be a biofortified rice because it is seen to be containing so many useful nutrients, especially beta carotene and other micronutrients as well. That is extremely important for healthy lifestyle or healthy sustenance of our life. So, this is how we come to the end of our discussion today. I hope you have learnt the chapter or learnt the topic with me in a little different way. I hope you have enjoyed learning with me. Till then, thank you and stay tuned for many more such videos. Bye bye.